Rocky Pat here. Alright guys, it's another hot rocky day in the jungle underneath this beautiful Texas sky. Yeah, we're coming. Alright guys, let's see what I got going on this weekend. And this weekend's project is we are back on the Lady Falcon. And got to get some work done on this because it's just got to get done. I have successfully, well, I threw a little paint up in here because I was tired of having to grind on it to get it clean again, and it still need to seam seal, and I'll come back and seam seal, and then I'll paint again. But that was just a little protection coat. Got the inner torque box completely welded in the car. Like the way it looks. Everything's looking good. There's a spot up in there that I got a piece right here that's gonna go in. Fill that little gap I got going on there. It is completely welded in its location, and I have fitted everything to be ready to do final welding. Over here, I got my outer torque box, and I got it fitting pretty good. Let's see if I can get it in there one-handed. Alrighty, there we go. All right, so we're gonna plug weld across the top up there. Do something in this corner. It gets plug welded up underneath that, over here. It'll get welded here. I thought I was good back there, but I guess not. Have to drill another hole. But yeah, I'll get welded right here to finish out this side. Up underneath here, it welds to the bottom of the inner torque box. And yeah, it'll all squeeze together just like that. I think that's a pretty nice little fit going on there. I've already had it all tack welded in a couple places over here to test everything. And yeah, I'm pleased with that. And I also have the actual floor pan, the top coat, fitted inside and everything. But right now, the next thing I need to do is start getting this thing welded in place, and then I'll work my way around. Yeah, that's what's going on. I wish I would have been a little further on this, but I'm thinking I'm making strides this weekend, and hopefully I'll have these floors done by the end of next weekend, totally. And I can move on to the real problem, which is, how am I going to fix that? All right, guys. Well, that's all I got this week. Haven't done anything over here to Johnny. It's all on the little Lady Falcon right now. All right, guys. Y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. I literally got some welding and grinding it down to do this time. All right. Talk to y'all next time.